Okay, so I told myself that I'll start a YouTube channel whenever I'll be ready, but I don't think ready is ever coming. And yeah, so here I am, starting from scratch, long format for the first time. I am a little nervous, but we're doing it anyway because that is kind of the theme of my life right now. Because pata nahi kya chal raha hai, but we just doing it anyways. And since you don't know me yet, let's fix that. Here are a few things about me that you probably need to know. My name is Tanvi and I'm from Mumbai, and I'm a true Mumbai girl. I love the city. The city is chaotic, it is exhausting, but I really cannot imagine living anywhere else but Mumbai. Like, people who live in Mumbai, they know what I'm talking about. My birthday is on 10th of March and I'm a Pisces, and everything that you know about Pisces, like dreaming and feeling everything too deeply, being over emotional, being delusional, or even like being in their own world most of the times, all of it. Yeah, I'm all of it. Everything is true. I've kind of accepted that about myself now. I am a summer girl. I know we're all dying because of the heat right now, and people might think I'm insane to say that, but I love how bright and sunny summer is. Like, I love the vibe of summer. It's just so bright and nice. I love fashion, and I don't really remember the time when I was not interested in fashion. I've always loved it. I have done fashion designing, I've studied fashion also. And yeah, and when I say that I love fashion, I don't mean it in a shallow way. I just feel waking up, dressing up, wearing good clothes, looking presentable, it kind of sets a tone and it says a lot about a person. I love beaches. I can sit on a beach for hours and just look at the water and just be there in that moment. It kind of resets every wrong thing that's going on in my life, and I love beaches. But you know what? I recently went to the mountains, and that was crazy. I mean, what people say about you heal when you go to the mountains, it is kind of true. But I'm always going to be a beach girly. I love mountains too, but beaches are my first priority, always. I have been a content creator for a while now. I create fashion, lifestyle, travel related videos, but I've always created short format videos. This is my first time trying long format, so let's see how it goes. And I love everything about content creation. I love filming, I love being in front of the camera, I love everything about content creation. Okay, I am the most low maintenance, high standard person you will meet. Let me explain. So, for example, there is a plan and you want to change the plan, or if there's a new plan, so I'm okay with it. I mean, whatever, I just go with the flow. Most of the times you make changes, you do anything, but you need to let me know few hours before making the changes, because then I have to like sit and prepare myself. Like, if I have to go out, I have to prepare myself. Now I have to go out, I have to meet people, I have to socialize, and that really confuses a lot of my friends, but everybody's getting used to it now. So, yeah. I am a night person. Everything that I have created, decided, figured out about life, about color, about everything, it's all at night. Like, I'm the most productive at night. But I really want to change that. Like, I want to be that person who wakes up in the morning and then, like, who just is so active throughout the day and, completes all the work and all that thing. But नहीं हो पा रहा. I am trying, but देखेंगे. होगा. I'm optimistic about it. I am a true manifestation and universe believer. Like, I literally talk to the universe like it's a person, and I talk to the universe more often than I talk to most of the people in my life. So yeah, I'm a true believer of that. Like, I believe in correct timing. I believe in things that are meant for you will happen. I believe in people that are meant to be in your life are going to be in your life, and yeah, I believe in all of it, like, wholeheartedly. Okay, so first impression of me, probably she's a quiet person, she's reserved, or she takes time to like warm up or open up. But if our vibes match, and like, if we are friends, and if I get comfortable in front of you, I'm like a complete crackhead. Like, no filter, nothing. But very few people like get to experience that side of me. Like only my closest people like know that side. Otherwise किसी को नहीं पता. Because it is true, I actually take a lot of time to like open up, and our vibes and our energy really have to match for me to like show that side of me. मैं वो बहुत कम लोगों को दिखाती हूँ. People who know. I have a child and his name is Snowy. He is my baby. He's my best friend. He's seen me in my worst and he still manages to love me. Like, he's my baby. And okay, he wants to go now. Bye bye. But yeah, he means a lot to me. Sorry for that. But yeah, I was saying he is a very very important part of my life and I love him way too much, and he has seen me in my absolute worst and still managed to like really love me, and we can't expect that from a lot of humans. Yeah, I am a big procrastinator. Like, I procrastinate about everything and I really have to change that about me. Because I'll tell you something, this YouTube channel also, ये मैंने इतना late चालू किया है because I kept procrastinating. Like there were so many people who kept saying कि कर ले, start कर ले, but मैंने नहीं किया because I procrastinated it a lot. And right now I was like, you're anyway restarting a lot of things, so let's do this. But I need to change that about me. Okay, now the last thing, I am in middle of a pretty big reset in my life. Like, I'm not going to get into details right now, but I am kind of simultaneously rebuilding a lot of parts of my life, and I just knew that the right time will never come, so just start it anyway, messy and all, but it's fine, we'll do it. So that was me, roughly. A little messy, nervous, indecisive, starting from scratch version of me. But you will get to know me better as I upload more videos. And frankly speaking, मैंने ना अब तक सोचा नहीं है कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ YouTube पे. Like, what am I going to do on YouTube? I haven't made a plan, but I think it will be bits and pieces of my life, everything, a few vlogs, fashion related content maybe. Pata nahi, I haven't thought it through yet, but we will see. We will go with the flow and we'll see how this YouTube thing goes and works for us. And yeah, I think that's about it. If anything that I said in today's video resonated with you, please do subscribe. And और क्या बोलते हैं, I don't know, but I think that's it for today's video. I will see you next time with something else, probably very very soon. Bye.